So before starting the chapter, I'll give you introduction about chapters in your geography part. So there are totally 8 chapters in the geography. So I'll read out the names of the chapters here. First chapter is resources, second chapter abiotic resources, third chapter is biotic resources, fourth chapter mineral resources, fifth chapter is power resources, sixth chapter agriculture, seventh chapter major industries, eighth chapter is human resources. So let us start the first chapter, part 1, that is resources. Yeah, so in this lesson we'll study about the major topics, that is resources, its introduction, then importance of the resources and types of the resources. Yeah, so here I'll give you the introduction about the resources. So commonly we can call it as the materials which we find in our environment. Yes, the raw materials that are drawn from the nature and used without much modification, they are known as the natural resources, or these can be defined as all those features of the environment which help us to produce the things that satisfies our needs and are finally used by us. Yes, the term resources usually refers to the natural substances which occur in the air, water or on the land. These natural resources includes raw materials such as the fuels and minerals, rain, wind, soil, sunlight and vegetation. Now let us study about the importance of the resources. These resources are very important for the development of a country. For example, to generate the energy, one needs fossil fuels, and for industrial development, we require minerals. The natural resources are highly beneficial and can be put to any use with human technological efforts. These resources are a great source of economic wealth for a nation or a country. But in the earlier times, the primitive man sustained the life at the lowest level and just managed to endure the life. But today, in this world of advancement of technology, most people wish to do something more, better quality of the life. Now, human beings want to make their life more comfortable and luxurious. So thus, time and human skills along with the modern technologies are the most significant factors that helps to change natural resources into the usable commodities. Yes, now next we'll study about the types of resources. The earth's resources can be categorized into 3 groups. First is natural resource, second human resources, third is human made resources. See here, this is a flow chart of the natural resources. Here 2 categories of the natural resources we can see. First is natural resources, second is man-made resources. So yes, the natural resources which are provided by the nature, example air, water and petroleum. Now second, man-made resources which are converted by the human beings for their beneficial. Yes, these are like machineries, vehicles and the roads. Now let's study about the natural resources. Yes, natural resources are all those useful raw materials that we get from the earth, or those resources that are drawn directly from the nature and used without much modification. These are called as natural resources, such as the air we breathe in, the water we drink, the soils in which we grow the plants, the minerals we use to satisfy our needs. These all are called as a natural resource on the earth. We use and modify these natural resources in many ways that are beneficial to us. Yeah, in this picture you can identify the natural resources: animals, mineral, water, soil and the vegetation.